The sound we are going to practice in this video is the sound V. Repeat after me. V. Vacation. Again, vacation. Valedictorian. Again, valedictorian. Volleyball. Again, volleyball. Valley. Again, valley. Victory. Again, victory. What other words have the initial sound V? V in driver. Again, driver. Cover. Again, cover. Souvenir. Again, souvenir. Advice. Again, advice. Heaven. Again, heaven. What other words have the middle sound V? V in brave. Again, brave. Move. Again, move. Save. Again, save. Dive. Again, dive. Remove. Again, remove. What other words have the final sound V? Now, let's practice phrases with the sound V. Ready? V in violet vacuum. Again, violet vacuum. Best vacation. Again, best vacation. Silver van. Again, silver van. Red velvet. Again, red velvet. Classical violin. Again, classical violin. Now, let's practice sentences with the sound V. Ready? V in don't forget to vote today. Again, don't forget to vote today. The vase was on the table. Again, the vase was on the table. The veterinarian helps the dog. Again, the veterinarian helps the dog. Some vegetables are bitter. Again, some vegetables are bitter. I need to vacuum the rug. Again, I need to vacuum the rug. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound V. Repeat after me. V. 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 I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.